So those are like yam, plantains, and eggs. Thanks, guys, and I really appreciate you.
Hey, welcome guys, it's all of Texas again, and today I'm making fried yam. I'm making plantains and egg, and the first one I did was cut down my onions, and what I'm doing right here is cutting my water yam, and that's what I'm doing right here. This is the secret behind it. Usually what I usually use is just yam, but I got to the store and the store told me they don't have yam. They told me the only thing they had for that day was water yam. So this is what I got. The first thing I did was get my oil on fire. Let my oil get hot a little bit, and immediately that I verified it was hot, I literally poured my diced yam into it. And literally what I did there was just cut my yam into cubes. Easy breezy, like you see what I did previously. Let your yam fry, check it out frequently, that way your yam doesn't get burnt. And while that is going on, I really want to appreciate your support towards my channel, for my folks share my videos, everything you guys have been doing towards making this a success. I really appreciate everything you guys have been doing. And going back to the video again, what I'm doing right here is just frying my water yam. I'm checking out frequently. A whole lot of folks like it crispy, a whole lot of folks like it soft, but just depending on how you like it. The most important thing is I love my yam, or my water yam well done. I mean well done. At this point in time, my yam is done, and what I'm doing right here is after cutting my plantain, I'm frying my plantains right now. I did add a little bit of salt. Make sure your salt is not too much, just a pinch is fine, and we want to go through the same process. So the same process we went through while frying our water yam. The same process. Check your plantains out frequently, stay if it's processed, and let's just wait till when it's brown. Take your time, no rush and all that good stuff. Right there in the comment section, just type what country you're watching this video from, and trust me, I'll give you a feedback on in the comment section. Also, as we see right here, the plantains are literally getting brown already. So at this point in time, I'm going to share one more time and take it out of the oil toy. The next phase, what we're going to do next is fry our eggs. I'm sure in my previous videos you've seen me frying my eggs, but yeah, still the same route, still the same still the same procedure. That's the same way we're still going to fry our eggs right here. Put a little bit of oil, just a little bit of oil on the pan. And first one is fry our tomatoes first. Let that guy steam up a little bit. Once you verify, after, let me say, about 1-2 minutes, once you verify that guy is on inside the hot oil for like 2 minutes, the next thing we want to do is add our onions. Our onions is very important. Onions is very important. And right there, add your onions to it. And the same way we did it initially, we want to make sure our onions and our tomatoes fry together. At this point in time, I'm gonna add a little bit of nor, just a pinch of nor, just a pinch. Don't make it too much. Just add a pinch of oil, and once you're done adding it, stir it up together. Once you're done stirring it up together, add a pinch of salt. Also, salt is life, and we want to give it that taste. So add a little pinch of salt, and stir it up together and let everything warm together. At this point in time, once we verify everything is steamed up together, that is when we literally pour our eggs into into the pan. So at this point in time, just take your time. Don't rush. Again, don't rush. Also, and your comments does matter. So you can also put your comments down there on what we can do to improve our channel. Right now, what I'm doing right here is stirring everything up. Like I said, I want the tomatoes cooked, I want the onions cooked also. Right here, we got to that point where we have to fry our eggs. So right now, depending on the amount of eggs you can consume, some people consume 3, some people consume 4 eggs, some consume 5. So it's just based on the amount of eggs you can consume. I'm just doing something I can eat on the spot. I can just have for breakfast or probably lunch, and just go on with my daily activity. So right here I'm just waiting for my eggs to get cooked. So yeah, so once again, I really appreciate all you guys do, and don't mind me right there. I just like to make sure my kitchen is clean anytime I'm cooking. Yeah, I just when I'm not doing anything, I try my best to like just clean up in between. So at this point in time, I'm almost done with with my eggs, and at this point in time, you can tell I'm really hungry right now. I can't just wait. But notwithstanding, like, it's better to get my food well done than cooking something not well done, or cooking a dish or delicacy not well done. So yeah, I can tell this guy is well done, and it's time for me to serve. This point in time, I need to get my fried water yams together, my fried plantains together, and while that is going on the other side, at this one time I'm just gonna add my eggs to my plate. Oh my god, look at that guy, so brown. Just how I love my eggs. Just taking my time, guys. Yeah, taking my time, and I'm just wondering, like I said initially, thank you. I'm still thanking you all for your support, and don't forget to also share those videos, share our videos while streaming, like those comments, because literally you liking the videos literally shows YouTube like you're enjoying watching our videos. So don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to put those comments down there, don't forget to stream. That's the only way you can show us like, hey, you really love what we do. And hey, no matter what it is, you watch or you don't watch, I really want to let y'all know I love y'all too. No matter what it is, I love y'all too. I love y'all too. So yeah, so I'm just taking my time here, waiting for that guy to get well done. And on the side, what I was doing right here is just getting my fried yam, my plantains together in a dish. Look at that guy right there, looking so good, looking so good. Right there, you see right there, I have my fried water yam, I have my plantains, and I have my fried eggs right there. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and subscribe to watch more of our videos.